Hello and welcome to the Ken Vercammen Law Office Legal Podcast. This edition we're going to be talking about a DWI Law and new directive regarding the ignition interlock device. So that's the machine if someone pleads guilty or is found guilty of a DWI, they're required by law to put on every car that they drive. So, if you plead guilty or found guilty of a DWI, you can have this. You can continue to drive, but yet you can only drive vehicles that have the interlock. So, it is what's called Directive 04-24 regarding ignition interlock devices. So, it was issued on March 28, 2024. So the directive highlights the recent New Jersey law regarding ignition interlock devices and DWI. So it allows defendants with many DWIs to continue to drive after they plead guilty, or even if they get the interlock device before they go to court. So the interlock device requires a driver to pass a breath alcohol test by blowing into the device before they can start their car. There was a New Jersey statute signed by the governor on December 21, 2023. So, number one, someone who's arrested for DWI offenses may, after the arrest, but before they go to court and plead guilty or found guilty, voluntarily install in one motor vehicle they own, lease, or principally operate an ignition interlock device. This voluntary installation of the interlock device and before conviction may, upon conviction, eliminate the fine and reduce the period of license suspension. The law requires that such a defendant must possess a valid New Jersey driver's license in good standing and maintain the license in good standing until up to the date of conviction. So if you drive them all suspended, one count. So there's many other aspects of the law, but this is probably the most important part of this new directive. So in addition, what we usually recommend people do when they're charged with a DWI. Number one, they should go for some kind of alcohol counseling, because down the road they're going to have to seek treatment. So it's best if they can show the judge that they're already doing it on their own. For more information on DWI law and ignition interlock device, visit website njlaws.com. In this video in the law part, we've posted the directive. For representation in DWI and related cases, contact Ken Vercammen's office in Edison at 732-572-0500. Thank you.